And I'm here with Hector from Tupl. Hector, how are you?
Doing great. How about yourself?
Good to see you. We had a great discussion on the mission and vision at Tupl. Before that, maybe introduce yourself, your journey from Malaga and the team in Spain to a global player and platform. And also, how do you describe the mission at Tupl these days?
Yeah, first a little bit about myself. I started in deep technical roles, R&D type of roles. And then I evolved into consultancy, and then ultimately I moved into the dark side of pre-sales and sales. No? First here in the US, later on back in Europe, until 11 years ago when we decided to found Tupl with former colleagues from common background. And we did it with a very clear mission. No? We wanted to empower domain subject matter experts to create their own automation use cases and solutions. And that has been the journey that we took with Tupl. We started first in the telecom sector because it's where we have deep domain expertise, and it's a key ingredient for success, no? In any digital transformation, no? To know the problems, no? And the solvings of the problems. And we have been working with our customers, first with T-Mobile US, no? And later on we have been onboarding new customers. And ultimately we have also started to explore how far we could take it also in other verticals, no? Applying the same methodology, manufacturing, etc.
Yeah, it's been an incredible story. And describe, if you would, some of the key challenges facing telcos globally and how you help exactly.
Mm-hmm. So the challenges run from being able to deliver better experience to the telco customers, starting from the customer service, no? And then going into the network experience from the customers. There are two challenges. No? The first one is the existing processes are too slow. Let's say they are not digital type of experience, so then they require a different methodology. The second challenge is the cost structure of running that. So telcos, they were built as companies, no? To build networks, to deliver technology very quickly. Now they find in a very different market situation, right? They have a lot of pressure on their top line, so they need to worry and improve the bottom line, no? The operational expenditure. And this is where our solutions come, no? Addressing the two cases. No? Examples of that on the customer service side, especially on the technical customer service, enabling the customer service organization to respond in the first interaction in few seconds, no? Right to the problem of the customer. And in doing so, reducing the number of escalations that are costly and time-consuming by 95%, no? Transforming completely the cost structure there. Another example is on the energy consumption. No? So a lot of the engineering effort goes to maintain the quality and deliver excellence through their network, but there is a way to do it without compromising the quality and yet maximizing the opportunity to save energy. That is a big contributor to the OPEX bill. No? So those are two examples, no, of how we help them.
And describe the way you partner with operators to help simplify their operations. Mm-hmm. It's kind of an extraordinary journey.
Yes. So there is nobody like the people in our organization to really know about the details, no, of their business process and what works and what doesn't. So then our job really is to partner with them in digitalizing that deep expertise that they have in their organizations and capture it into the models that run into their software installation, no? from Tupl. So it's also an iterative process. So we have typically a first engagement that lasts a few weeks, no? All the way to the first 3 months to deliver a minimum viable product, no? Within a project. And then from that initial success, if it's successful, then we expand, we take it to production, and we start expanding, going deeper in the level of automation, all the way to zero touch. No? So things happen with the human in command, but not necessarily in the loop, and also on the breadth. No? So on the coverage of what you are automating. And this is the evolutive journey that we take our customers. There is a component of upskilling in that transformation.
And you've had so much success with so many operators globally, but you're not stopping. You have a really aggressive roadmap into agents and agentic AI. Maybe give us a peek into the near future.
Yes. So I would say that so far we have been executing on the first generation of the automation by AI, where we delivered a solution that was no code or low code, and that really enabled domain subject matter experts to do it themselves, no? In a way. But now with the agentic, we can go one step further, right? With agentic, we can transform the interaction with the human domain subject matter expert, capture the intent, and then have an interactive dialogue with that expert in order to extract the juice, right? These key elements that need to be taken into account to create an automation use case. And through our agentic framework and the use of the different agents, create that agent through that more human-like interaction.
Well, you're having extraordinary impact. Congratulations to you and the team, both in Spain and beyond, on the success you're having, not just in Europe, but globally, in particular North America. Onwards and upwards.
Thank you, Ivan.
Thanks so much.